Alright, what up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, let's adjust the lighting real quick. Alright, so today, I'm going to do another daily dash. Just getting in my car today. It is 10 a.m. I'm going to start a little bit early today and try to hit that lunch shift. Or breakfast shift, I don't know, whatever it is. Anyway, so, hope everyone's having a good day today. It is Tuesday, and I think it's January 12th or 13th or so. I got a tattoo appointment in like 2 hours, so I'm gonna try to get all my chores done before that, which is make a couple of YouTube videos and make 70 bucks. I doubt that's gonna happen before, but we're gonna try. So let's get this day started. Subscribe if you guys haven't yet to the channel, and give this, just tap that like button real quick and just help me out a little bit, because it really helps out my videos. Actually, I'm gonna share a quick screenshot right here. Someone, I don't know who it is, but it's really messed up. Someone dislikes every one of my videos as soon as I upload them. Like, they have their post notifications turned on or something, and they just dislike the video before the video even gets started. Like, it's within like 20 seconds I upload the video, it doesn't even say that there's a view yet, and there's always a dislike. Super annoying, guys. Why do you do that? That's just hurting like my channel. Anyways, all right, so let's get this day started. Let's do it. All right, question to the audience. What city are you guys dashing in? Let me know the city and state down below. Represent your city. I want to see where everyone's at. I am dashing in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm from Los Angeles though, so I've lived here for a few years. But comment down below, let me know where you guys are living or where you guys are dashing. Alright, gonna accept this order. First order that comes in on the day. It is $7 for 1.2 miles. And I'm literally right next to the restaurant, which is probably why it's such a short order. So obviously that is one we are definitely gonna take all day. $7 per 1 mile. That's a good way to start the day. No, I wanted to start the day and say, and do a video of how much, like do a power hour, like how much money can I make in 1 hour, and just do 1 hour of dashing no matter what. So we're gonna start it right now. It's I know this is confusing, but it's 11:55 right now. I took a quick break and got some stuff done. 11:55. So we're gonna do it for 1 hour and see how much money we can make. All right, let's go. All right, quick tip. I'm not sure if this actually works, but what I always do is if I know exactly where a place is, I will slide at delivery and arrive a little bit early, because I feel like if the app thinks that you're already there, then it'll be more likely to give you another order, rather than if you like wait until after you actually have your food to select delivery. Sometimes I do that when I totally forget, but I think if you select deliver or arrive early, it's more likely to give you another order, because it knows you're just sitting there waiting for the order. Anyways, all right, picking up this order from Born Again Subs. It says vegetarian subs, but it's just capriati's. I don't know why places have like two like things, I don't know, two businesses operating one. It's like it's just wings and Chili's. I don't know if you guys have delivered there before. It's kind of weird. Why doesn't Chili's just make wings? It doesn't make sense to me. Anyways, I don't know. It's just weird. Okay, that took 25 minutes for them to literally make 2 sandwiches. Note to self, never go to whatever that place was called ever again. I don't even understand, because like 10 people came in for capriati sandwiches and they were ready. Maybe something to do with like the fake meat, because it's like a vegetarian option place or something. Born Again sandwiches. Note to self, never go there again, because this order's already taken like 25 minutes. We're not going to make very good money today. Well, in this hour, we are not going to make good money, for sure. All right, anyways, gonna drop off this order and then I will get back to this. I am supremely annoyed right now. All right, order dropped off. So, what's that saying? Don't judge a book by its cover. I was like so stoked because I thought, oh, gonna have like the greatest order ever right now. It's only $1, or it's only a mile for $7, and horrible order, you know? I don't know how it can take 30 minutes to make 2 sandwiches. Doesn't make any sense to me. Especially what I really don't like, I hate to be a complainer, but one of the things that bugs me the most is when they say, oh, it'll be ready in 2 minutes, and then it takes another 20. Like, just tell me it's gonna be 20 more minutes and I would just wait in my car or something. But anyways, all right, gonna drive over to the outlet mall, hopefully get at least 1 more order in this hour, and then I gotta head over to the tattoo appointment. Funny, as I was just talking about how restaurants, like, let's call it restaurants in disguise, because it's a restaurant that is like operating under a different, not under a different brand, but it's like, it's just wings. I don't know if you can see that. It's just wings. It's a horrible order. It's $3. But the last one was Born Again Subs, and it's just Capriotti's just making different sandwiches. And I mean, like, they're kind of claiming to be like a vegan place because they're like meatless, but they're still cooking on the, like, I mean, if I was a vegan, I wouldn't order from that place because you got a vegan, it's like vegan food, but it's still being cooked on the same grill. Or maybe they aren't cooking on the same grill, and that's why it took freaking 25 minutes. I don't know, actually. Anyways, but yeah, we're gonna decline that $3 order because we don't do $3 orders. You know, I wonder if, because sometimes I've ordered probably DoorDash a handful of times, and sometimes I think, oh, I'll just give them a cash tip. But then if you don't put that good, like, tip on the front, you're gonna get, like, probably the worst driver. Or you just get the least experienced driver. I don't want to say worst, because someone's got to accept these orders. You know, someone's got to accept the order. You know, they don't just magically go away. I don't know, maybe if it gets declined like 10 times by orders, I wonder if DoorDash will like add a couple dollars onto it or something to see if we can get people to accept it. Because, like, I mean, who in their right mind is going to accept an order for $3? I guess anyone who does Postmates. So, Postmates drivers, you know, because I used to only do Postmates, and you would literally only get $3, and then you just, you know, you just have to assume that you're going to get tipped at the end. But damn, not when I have a guaranteed option of like, oh, $7 for 1 mile. That seems good, but damn, that one sucked. Anyways, okay. Let's drive over to the outlet mall. We're going to try to get at least one more order in this hour. Hopefully we get it. Also, maybe I'm just so annoyed because I haven't had coffee yet, because you're not supposed to drink coffee before a tattoo appointment. Otherwise, you'll bleed too much and your veins will be pumping more blood or something like that. I don't know. I've taken pre-workout a handful of times before a tattoo appointment, and yeah, it's not a good idea because you bleed a lot. So, tried to not drink coffee this morning. I don't know if you guys can tell. I just feel tired. You probably can't tell, but alright. Driving over to the outlet mall. Let's do this. One more order. Las Vegas Premium Outlet South. For those of you who are interested, I'm invisible right now. For those of you interested, this is where I always park. It's the Las Vegas, it says Premium Outlets. It's like an outlet mall at the south end of the strip. We got a $3 order for 7 miles. You can fuck right off. Not doing that. Yep, so this is where I always park because there's like this whole line of restaurants on the side. Like literally, like there's every restaurant. There's Chili's, there's Outback Steakhouse, IHOP, Cane's, Five Guys, Joe's Pizza. Like literally every single restaurant pretty much you can imagine, and it's all in one parking lot. And then if you go up like one more block, there's another mall right there, and sometimes you get orders from there too. There's also a Chipotle, and that's how I discovered this place, because I've probably said many times before, I always just go and park at the Chipotles. If I don't, especially if I don't know where I'm like dashing or something, I'll just go and park at Chipotle, because Chipotle is pretty consistent with like getting good orders. Blurry. Not blurry. Alright, anyways, we're gonna sit here and wait. But yeah, again, like, I don't know what's up with this like restaurants in disguise thing. It's kind of weird that you wouldn't use the branding of this big corporation that you've built to I don't know, it doesn't make sense to me, but who knows? There's got to be some kind of reason behind it. I'm sure I'll discover it soon, or maybe someone who's a business genius will comment down below and let me know why. I mean, I guess you can get like two like better bang for your buck because you have 2 restaurants operating in one. Or I don't know, maybe it's just a DoorDash name or something like that. Maybe they just have like a DoorDash entity and they're just operating as like a secondary business. I don't know, it's weird. I'm not going to talk about it anymore because you guys are probably bored out of your minds. Alright, we're going to sit here and Five Guys, $5. That's funny. Five Guys, $5, 5 miles. No, we're not going to do that. Although that was exactly on the way to my tattoo appointment. I might have wanted to take that one. Alright, we're not going to do that though. But yeah, so we are driving pretty far north in the next hour. So to conveniently make this dash like as convenient as possible, I probably will accept a more shitty order if it does take me northwest, because that's where we got to go, is like to the north area of Vegas, and right now we're on the southeast. So try to make it like convenient and like essentially drive across town and get paid for it. But yeah, so that's all we got. Waiting for an order. It's gonna come in soon. I know it. I can feel this $20 for 2 miles order coming in soon. Where you at? $20 for 2.
I think.
All right, so we got, listen to a podcast. We got Taco Bell, $8.50, 4.7 miles. Pretty much $2 a mile. That's kind of my standard. I like to try to accept orders that are $2 a mile. And worst case scenario, if it is convenient, I will do $1 a mile. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what your guys' standards are. Because if you've been listening to my channel for a bit, you've hopefully made some standards. And whether it's $1 a mile or 50 cents a mile, maybe you drive a Tesla, or even then, that's still not a good idea because wear and tear. Anyway, so let me know your guys' standards down below. What you guys accept in orders, because you shouldn't be accepting anything. All right, so we're gonna do this Taco Bell order, and then that'll be 1 hour. So I will have made $15.50, and then we're gonna subtract. Let's see, we drove 1 mile on the last order, then probably 2 miles up to the outlet mall. So we probably are gonna spend half a tank of gas, or half a gallon of gas, which is in Vegas, it's about $1.30. So we're gonna say we made $14 in 1 hour after we do this order, because there's no way I'm getting another order that would be exactly an hour by the time I deliver this. So $15 in 1 hour. That's usually about the average, I think. I feel like people usually make about $15 an hour. I don't know. If you guys, some people, man, I swear to God, some of these comments, I see people like, oh, I make a minimum of $200 every day. I feel like, I just want to say this, if you're in New York and you're making $200 a day, it's probably standard, you know, because you're paying this insane amount of, so I just thought of this actually as I'm saying this. What if you were dashing in like California and then like in LA? I'm sure they probably pay a little bit more for the orders in LA. I've only done it a few times. And then you take all your money and you come back here. I wonder, I think for tax reasons and everything, I don't think that they like separate state by state, but maybe they do. Anyways, all right. Anyways, don't want to get too complicated on you guys, but yeah. So I just a theory, you know, because like I see people saying they make $300 a day in New York, but really like you need to make $300 a day to survive in New York because rent is so insanely expensive. So maybe if you like drove in New York and then went back to Connecticut or something where you lived, I don't know, maybe that's a good strategy. Anyways, all right, let's do this order. Taco Bell, here we come. All right, so just continuing on this not so great day of delivery driving. This person did not put their room number. So kind of like yesterday's video, how much free food do you get? There's a chance that we're gonna end up with free food, which is not the food that I would ever really want because I don't eat Taco Bell. Hopefully, we'll see if this person responds because I really don't want Taco Bell. And I would, oh, look at that. They responded. See, sometimes people just don't put their room number. All right, so we're going to walk up there right now. Day just got a little bit better. Gave me a $5 tip in cash. That is awesome. Thank you, Mr. Caleb person who ordered Taco Bell. Yeah, so day got a little bit better. And now we got to kind of drive north. So we ended up making... So we actually also tipped an extra $2. So we did make $10 on that order. So with the first order being $7, second one being $10. Oh, my tattoo artist is calling me right now. Hold on a sec. All right, apparently, sorry, not getting a tattoo today because my tattoo artist is sick, which, yeah, totally don't want to get sick, so that's fine with me if I don't get tattooed today. Well, actually, the only thing that bugs me is I didn't drink coffee in the morning, and I freaking need coffee. And it's actually super convenient because I had a bunch of things I wanted to do today. And now that I'm not getting a tattoo. I can do all of those things. And actually, I already did all of the things that I planned on doing today. I wanted to make 20 bucks in DoorDash and make 2 videos. I've filmed 1 video. We're gonna film another one in a second. I'm gonna do more of a tutorial. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. So we did end up making $22 in 1 hour. Not too bad, minus the $1.50 or so in gas that we spent. Pretty good, you know, not too bad for a lunchtime on a Tuesday. All right, anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider smashing that like button because it helps out my channel quite a bit. And subscribe if you guys haven't. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.